What's up, guys? Tonight, I'm getting ready to do a vlog that I don't want to do. So one of our subscribers, Stephen Porowski, he challenged me to eat 5 sticks of butter in 5 minutes. Did he say 4 or 5?
4 sticks in 5 minutes.
He said 4 sticks of butter in 5 minutes. Anyways, I'm going to do it. I've got the butter here. It's Prairie Farms and it's real butter. Oh no, margarine's worse.
Don't do that, Mike.
So we're gonna do 4 sticks. I chose real butter over margarine because butter is healthier.
Did you get salted?
Yes, I wanted salty.
And not 5.
A lot of sodium, but I don't care. I have to have flavor. Anyways, guys, so
what you need to do is actually salt your butter. And
yeah,
then eat it.
that is true. I bought pre-salted butter because I wanted some flavor. So Lindsay's filming for Facebook. Everybody's here watching. Oh, pan the room, guys. Or pan the room. There you go.
You don't need me.
What, Lindsay? You're going to be in it anyways. All right, so Bill's whispering something. I guarantee you he's got something planned. I don't know. What did he tell you, Tanya?
That my kid's gonna run into that thing.
No,
when she
I
gets
bet
in there.
that's not what he said. Guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, we're waiting for Bill to get water ready because there's no way I could do the butter without water. Steven, you didn't say I couldn't drink water. Anyways, Colton's been wanting to run me over with his little truck ever since Dustin tried to run me over with the dirt bike. You guys haven't seen that. Anyways, so he's going to try to run me over while we're waiting. All right, come here.
All right, run him over.
Don't run over Mikey's face. You hear me? Please.
Come on, Colton.
Come over here.
Go. Go.
No, not my legs. Wait. I'm nervous. This thing's heavy, guys.
Especially with 2 toddlers in it.
Yeah, it was heavy. I let him run over my foot
Oh,
earlier.
no, she can't be.
Here, back it up.
27 pounds.
I let him run over my.
Like 36.
I let him run over my foot earlier to test it. That thing's pretty heavy.
Just keep.
36 and
No, turn him a
27
little.
pounds on top
Turn
of
him a
that
little.
thing.
Turn the front.
Do not let him run over my face.
No, the other way. The other way.
Okay.
Now, straight
All right,
up.
guys.
Okay.
Oh, gosh,
Scoop ass a
Run.
little, Mike. Mike, this way. There you go.
All right, go.
Go.
Go, go, go. Go. Get it. You gotta go. Oh, God. Ah, no. Okay, get off me. That ain't happening anymore. Ow. Shit. Ow, I think he broke my leg. Look. Ow, and this leg. And my stomach. Hey, this is my Hollister shirt. Ow. I'm done with that. Ow. Good job, buddy. That thing hurts.
Oh, give her a
Look at my stomach. Good job, sweetie. Aria and Colton just ran me over. Look at my stomach. I got marks. And my arms. Oh my God, that hurt. Look, I got skid marks on my arm. That little truck hurt worse than I. Then they wouldn't get off me. All right, we'll be back with the butter. All right, guys. I don't know what this stuff is, but it was horrible. Bill's making me drink it. He says it's something it's not. I guarantee it. I know better. I'm going to try to drink it, but there's no way I'm going to eat these 4 sticks if I. Look at that in the bottom.
It before we even started.
What is that? If you guys knew what this tastes like, it's effing horrible. Oh my God. And it's probably going to make my brains out. Probably something, Bill, that's going to have me on the toilet all night.
Halfway.
This is going to make me throw up. This was
Okay,
nasty.
just eat your butter.
That's good. Just
That's
take a
good,
drink.
That's good. That's good.
the
Wash
butter.
the butter down.
If you puke on me, I swear to God.
Oh, I can't drink no more of that.
I'm scooting back. I
It's
don't
called
need
this
to
diet. It's diet. That's why.
It's not.
I think he would learn.
Okay, that's not what's in that bottle. Bill, later on, you're going to tell me what that is.
Here, unwrap all of them.
And then you're going to be honest with me.
I've never been honest with you.
All right, I'm going to unwrap these guys. I have 5 minutes. Tanya's going to start the timer whenever I say.
So what's your What's your game plan? Why don't you take a drink of water?
I'm just because I can't hold anymore if I'm gonna
Okay.
do this. Okay, I'm just gonna eat. I mean, I'm just gonna go.
Like fast, or are you gonna?
I think I'm gonna go fast. I don't have a choice.
You're gonna go fast in the beginning and then fast in the
Not
middle.
after that stuff. What?
You're gonna go fast in the beginning and fast in the middle, and then finish up fast.
Yes.
Okay.
Guys, Vape Nation, by the way.
That was an office reference to anybody that.
Vape
Got it.
Nation. No. All right, Tanya.
You ready?
Ready, guys? Dustin, count it down from 3.
3, 2, 1.
You going?
Go.
He's already vomiting.
You better scoot back.
Aria, don't go by Mike. Stay back, okay?
Get over there, Aaron. Get over there.
Oh, I'm gonna vomit with that. It's not even and you're already puking.
There's no way, guys.
You good?
Seriously, we're at 4 minutes 27
Colton's
seconds.
gagging. Colton's gagging.
Aria, come over this way. with
Oh,
that.
God, there's no way. I've never, ever.
Come on.
All right.
Seriously, you gotta hold this. I'm
Okay.
about to throw
I'm
up.
trying.
Come
No,
this way, baby.
no,
Come this
I'm
way.
gonna get sick.
Come away from Mike puking.
Okay, let me try a different tactic, guys.
Swallow it whole. Don't even chew it. Just swallow it. Why wouldn't you put it in, chew it one time, and swallow it?
That was worse than any food challenge I've ever done.
There you go.
Let's walk.
We won't walk yet. Mommy's busy.
Just swallow it. Just swallow
Come
it.
You can play with
Just
it
swallow it. Just swallow it.
Just swallow
Just
it.
swallow it.
You got 3:46 left.
Just think it's like a
I
hamburger. or something. Fuck.
When it was like foaming out of his mouth, I almost threw
He's
up.
not even like a quarter of a way through it. What was that?
Just swallow it. Just swallow
I'm
it.
trying. You throw up.
Just think of it as a cupcake. Just an uncooked
That's
cupcake.
why I told you to put some salt on it.
Get him some bread. Tom said wrap it in bread.
Oh, I heard that.
What's our time?
Oh, God. It's just...
I think
Oh,
Bill's
yeah.
gonna puke.
Oh,
I think this is a fail challenge.
this is a fail. I can't do it.
You gotta
We're at
finish the rest of the
56
stick.
seconds and he is quitting.
Wait, no, not yet.
Come on.
If you've only got through that much, you only have 2 minutes and 45 seconds left.
Oh my God, this is horrible. There's no
Who's
way.
that?
Adam,
I invited
Guys,
him.
I'm doing my best.
jealous. Mom. Yeah, that's Daddy.
All right.
Keep going. You got,
There's
you got
no
3
way.
more sticks.
You're doing
You
it.
gotta finish the stick.
Try to take a bite of one.
Take a little bite.
Nope, wait till Dad gets out. Stand right here.
Well, Mike,
Okay.
be a man.
Big cupcake.
That's a bad cupcake.
That's one.
What? He puked into the bottle.
Here.
Oh, what happened?
Eat a piece of bread.
Damn it, Facebook!
Did they block us again?
It kicked me off.
I guess it's not as bad.
That's bad.
No, it's still pretty bad.
Now you're doing good.
Maybe because I went too long.
Go back on.
This is awful.
They kicked you out.
I'm done.
Come on.
Dude, this is horrible. I can't.
It can't be no worse than eating cat food.
Oh, give me a happy.
Butter.
Yes.
He only has 1:21 seconds left.
Hey, if you can't finish it, you gotta eat a handful of cat food.
Go get a couple.
No, Aria, no, stay here. Aria.
I'm done. I'm eating a handful of cat food.
No. Stay here.
Guys,
I don't know what happened, guys. It kicked me off.
that was a fail. I couldn't do it.
One time.
Steven,
1 minute left.
I don't. 1 minute left. I'm eating a handful of cat food.
Fuck this.
There's no way I can do that. Butter. Steven, that's a crazy challenge. Call this one a fail. You gotta show the camera.
I didn't want to do it right here.
All right, guys. There's no way I can eat that much cat food. Really?
Just dog style.
All right, guys, this is cat food. Bill, show the camera the bag so they know, because the camera didn't catch it.
Are you stuck?
Oh god.
This is cat food Purina. At least it's good.
Come here, watch that.
All right.
Don't step on my cue.
What's that?
Come here.
It's from Bill, so I'm sure it's legit.
Very legit. Sure. I'm surprised they don't have kitty litter in it too. All right. I have to eat cat food now because if I wasn't able to complete the butter challenge, I have to eat cat food.
Hey, let me get the
So-
soft kind. It'll be better.
What?
I'm not gonna touch your
Aria.
pubic.
Okay, ready?
Aria, come here.
Ew.
Come on.
I think I'd rather.
And he's not puking with it.
I think I'd rather eat
Boy,
the butter.
he's kind of
It just sounds like you're eating cereal. It's,
Oh, it does. Second.
Here, take a drink.
it's like
What the hell is that?
It's just green tea with
Bull- Yeah, right.
You
Where'd
see
it
the
go?
powder at the bottom of
No,
it.
I
Baby
can't.
formula.
Here, take a drink.
Just take a drink. It was probably
What
better
are
than...
you guys doing to me?
Don't worry about it. Turn away if you're gonna puke.
I'm going to.
Don't puke on my kid.
I'm about to puke myself. Blues are losing 4-0.
Language.
God, Facebook is so smart.
What?
Adam got on camera and now it says, "Do you want to tag Adam Goosen in this video?"
Do what?
Yeah.
He just put his face in the camera and said something, and now it wants to tag him.
Oh my god, I'm not eating all this.
Got to.
Dude, you can't waste.
Yeah, man. The cat gets hungry.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Baxter's gonna be pissed.
I'm afraid to drink this.
Chug it.
Just do it.
That's so gross.
Chug it, chug it.
Talks bad
Chug
about you,
it,
Marsh.
beer after
chug
this.
it, chug
What is
it,
that,
chug it,
What is
chug
in the
it,
bottle?
chug it,
Nobody
chug
knows.
it.
Oh.
What is it?
Well, I know one thing.
Baby formula? I'm pretty sure. It looks like it.
I'm done with cat
Okay, no,
food.
sit here.
I'll drink this shit, whatever it
Oh,
is.
yeah, put it all over my butter.
Chug it.
No,
chug
this is
it.
the empty pack. What is this, guys?
Well, Ari will tell you.
Aria, come here.
Aria, what is
Aria,
this,
come
honey?
here. Come here, come here.
Aria, take that to
Come
Mike.
here. Take it to Mike. Give that to Mike. No. Yeah, go
Take it to Mike.
I'm done. I can't do no more,
Colton, go
guys.
get that
Colton,
tonight.
come here.
I'm never
Go
gonna
get
eat
that
again.
Go
It's funny for my kid. Come here,
Go
Colton.
get
They're
that
getting
from
ready
Mike.
to reveal whatever this was that I drank almost all of it.
Okay, fine.
Tanya will give it to you.
I have a present.
Oh, please.
It'll clean your
Bill,
cat
you're... That's not cool, dude.
What did you put in there?
The whole box.
No,
Yeah.
you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Didn't.
Open it up.
Okay,
I'm
so-
gonna tell you right now,
Dude, that's not cool.
dude. When you open up, you're gonna get a
Yeah,
basketball
you're
out
an
of that. Huh?
That's bullcrap. I knew it. I knew, dude.
Are you serious?
I drank almost a whole
You
bottle
took
of
the
that.
sleeve out.
No, I crushed them all up.
Yeah, he did. I drank almost a whole bottle of that.
Why do you think it took me so long to shake it up? Hell,
You know what, guys? I'm done with. Alright, guys, it is now 6:30 the next morning, and I'm on the toilet, and my stomach is excruciating. It is just killing me, and I don't even get up at 6:30. Alright, anyways, it's on. It's on. This X-Lax or whatever it is horrible. I'm a Kill Bill.
Once again.